In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find easy backlink opportunities with Semrush. Backlinks are a crucial part of your SEO strategy, helping to boost your website's credibility and improve search engine rankings. So, let's dive into a straightforward method to identify these opportunities using Semrush. First, let's head over to the Semrush website. Semrush is a comprehensive tool used for data-driven marketing to help you grow your business. If you're not yet familiar, it offers an array of features that can significantly enhance your online presence. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to semrush.com. You'll be greeted by a host of valuable tools right at your fingertips. Once you're on the Semrush homepage, the next step is to log into your account. In the upper right corner, you'll find the Login button. Click on it and enter your account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you might want to take a moment to sign up and explore their trial or subscription plans, depending on your needs. Logging in is essential, as it provides you access to a plethora of tools and data you won't want to miss. After logging in, you'll be redirected to the Semrush home dashboard. This is where all the magic begins. Here, you'll have access to various projects and tools at your disposal. For our purpose today, we're going to focus on a couple of specific features within the competitive research section. This area of Semrush is dedicated to analyzing your competitors, which is key to finding where your backlink opportunities lie. Locate and click on Competitive Research from the main menu. This powerful tool gives you an insight into what your competition looks like in the digital landscape. By understanding their strengths and weaknesses, you can tailor your strategies more effectively. Next, we're going to zoom into an even more precise tool, the Backlink Gap tool. Clicking on Backlink Gap will open a new feature that compares your website's backlink profile with those of your competitors. Essentially, it highlights the websites that link to your competitors but not to you. These are golden opportunities, as reaching out to these sites might land you additional backlinks, increasing your website's authority and potentially boosting your search rankings. To sum up, Semrush provides a clear path to identifying backlinks that can be easier to acquire by leveraging its Backlink Gap tool. By understanding where your competitors are gaining their links, you can strategically approach these sites, enhancing your own site's visibility. So there you have it. By using Semrush, mapping out your backlink strategy can become a much more streamlined and efficient process. Give it a try and see how it can transform your digital marketing efforts. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful tips and tutorials. Happy link building!